Start your gold investment journey with the Saving Gold app. Sign up and verify in just few minutes. It's fast, safe, and seamless. Here is how. Step 1. Download the Saving Gold app. Get the app from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Create your account. Step 3. Complete your KYC. Enter your personal details and your financial information. And upload a valid ID. Make sure the document you upload matches the country you selected in the previous step. Step 4. Verify your identity. Take a quick selfie to confirm your identity. Simple and secure. And that's it. You're all set to start saving and investing in gold with confidence. Saving Gold application.